Hello and welcome. Language is not just grammar, language is a thought stitched together. Every time we speak, we are quietly answering a question. How does this idea connect to the next? And that is where the conjunctions enter. Small words carrying the weight of logic, time, cause, choice, fear, and consequence. Today, we explore some conjunctions and their uses, not as rules to memorize, but as windows into how the human mind reasons. Since, the word since does something remarkable. It anchors us to a moment or to a cause. First, since can mean from and after the time when. I have been in such a pickle since I saw you last. Many things have happened since I left school. I've never seen him since that unfortunate event happened. Notice something subtle here. The present perfect looks back. The simple past marks a moment. Grammar mirrors memory. Now since steps into the realm of reason. Seeing that, in as much as, since you wish it, it shall be done. Since you will not work, you shall not be paid. Since that is the case, I shall excuse you. Here since becomes judgment itself, quiet, logical, inevitable. If you like this video, and you have learned something from this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.